As I mentioned in my video called My Old Diablo-like Game, as my thesis I chose game development with procedural content generation. So I can overlap my activities. This way I will have to work on it even if sometimes I lack motivation. I can finally reach my game publishing goals, and also my desire for making a Diablo-like game will be fulfilled. Because as you could have already guessed it, I'm going to make an RPG inspired by my all-time favorite, Diablo. Whether it will have a good ending or not, I will finally get rid of this dream game desire, and I won't think about it whether I should make it or not, because I will know the answer finally. So let's talk about my game. First of all, lots of things are still unclear, but I have to start implementing it due to the deadlines. At least this time there is no chance for spending weeks or months on designing without writing a single line of code. So imagine Diablo, but it will be darker and more story heavy, with lots of small details about its world. There will be fewer monsters, but also they are harder to kill. And they have interesting different mechanics and backstories. The player's health will be limited, for example, to 5 hits. There will be some Dark Souls-like mechanics added to the player and to the monsters as well, and some puzzle elements to boss fights, to areas, etc. If you remember Diablo's room-word system, there will be a similar one in my game as well, but it will be responsible for the player's skills. But these are just a few ideas I had in my mind, and there are many other things in my pockets. And now here is the roadmap. First, I'd like to slay the biggest beast regarding my university deadlines, and that is procedural generation. I like to implement a basic one at first, but in a way so I could easily extend it with additional features and details. And as you could have seen it in my previous video, I already managed to implement a basic algorithm. Then I would implement some of the player's mechanics and also some static enemies for testing. Next I would give them some AI, animations and also a health system for the player. After this the order is a bit unclear. I would implement a more complex AI, more player mechanics, skill system for the player, then maybe items or maybe a quest system. But it's still pretty far away right now, so let's not think about it. According to my plans, I will release the game next summer for free, hoping that some chapters will be done by that time. And after that, if there is an audience for it, I will create new chapters as DLCs or expansions. I'm quite excited for this series. Thanks for watching and see you next time.